What's up, y'all? Just got for the train ride, so let's take a look.
Chattanooga Creek. In the waters below there, you may spot some turtles, river otters, or geese.
As he'll be operating our 25 horsepower electric motor here directly under the operator's shed. Now, in order for us to turn our locomotive today, we do have to have it centered on our turntable. That way the weight is evenly distributed. Now, the way we know we have a balanced turntable is by watching the far end where I'm standing. Now, once the locomotive is centered, you'll see this end drop by about 3 inches. As we like to say here at the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum, once the table drops, Joseph stops. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to point out your engineer today. Your engineer today will be Joseph. Everybody say hi, Joseph. Everybody say thank you, Joseph. Your locomotive today is actually United States Army number 1829. Now, the locomotive here was built in 1951 by the Electromotive Division of General Motors. Now, the locomotive was built for use at the Kingston Munitions Plant in Kingsport, Tennessee. Now, it was built for the United States Army as a GP7 locomotive, making about 1,500 horsepower. Now, I know what you're thinking, Justin, what the heck is a GP locomotive? Well, ladies and gentlemen, GP means general purpose, meaning that straight from General Motors, this locomotive could be used in freight or passenger service. This locomotive here would spend its entire life at the Kingston Munitions Plant based out of Kingsport, Tennessee, until being surplus by the United States Army in the 1990s. Now, sometime in the mid-1990s, we would purchase the 1829 here, but folks, here's the kicker about 29. Fully operational in the 1990s, 1,500 horsepower locomotive, and we purchased it for only $250. Ladies and gentlemen, that's absolutely right. Today, you can buy a 1,500 horsepower locomotive cheaper than you can buy a brand new iPhone. Now that our locomotive is live on track 2, it will perform a runaround. What that means is that the locomotive is going to go past our train through a switch. The locomotive will reverse back through that switch.